Yes, class, good morning. Today topic you are trigonometric functions. This is not new topic for you. You have many point of learn in class 10 also. Like simple analysis of the trigonometric sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and so on. Trigonometric angle tables, what value of the sine 30, 45, 60, 90 and so on. Every trigonometric ratio you have you know how much value of this. Suppose you have you do not know, then learn this table. This is very important tables. Second points here, measurements of the angles. In class 10 you have learned measure in the angle only the degree, not other system. But in class 11 we will measure degree and other system also. Then first year measurement of the angles. First year sexagesimal system, circular system and centesimal system. Three system here. What is the sexagesimal system here? Sexagesimal system here we are measure angle in the degree, minutes and second also. Like suppose one right angle equal to 90 degree, 1 degree equal 60 minute or 1 minute equal to 60 second. We are measuring angle in this system, degree, minute and seconds. And circular system we are measuring here, circular system. Suppose in radian, in circular system we are measuring the angle in radian. It means radian, pi radian. What pi radian equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi. Means we are measuring in circular system in the radian. The radian we are using short form is the RAD, otherwise C. This is symbol of the radian. Suppose you are writing RAD, otherwise C. I am writing here C. The pi radian equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi. Then you can every degree you convert in the degree and radian. This is not problem. Second thing, what is the radian? What is the radian? What value of the radian? Radian is the value of this angle. Suppose this is the O, A and this is the B. This is your arc. What length of the OA equal to radius? The means length of the arc length. This is the arc length. What is the length of the arc AB? This is called also arc. Suppose this length, this is also equal to the arc. So this is called the 1 radian. This is called the radian degree. Pi radian, 1 radian, 2 radian. Length and radius will be same, that this is called the 1 radian degree. This is called the 1 radian. 1 radian means 180 upon pi. 180 degree upon pi degree. This is called the length of the arc. How much degree of means length of the radius or length of the arc will be same. This angle will be the 1 radian degree. 1 radian. Then you can say this is your radian. And next centesimal system here. This is the one right angle. Here one right angle divided into 100 grades. This system we are not using. This is the French system. So we are not using in this system because one right angle equal to 100 grade. So this one right angle divided into 100 parts, 100 grade. Then we are not using this system. We are using only sexagesimal system and circular system only. But then you focus on two system. Don't use this system. These system are not using in our syllabus. This system is not using in our syllabus. Only our syllabus having the two system, sexagesimal system and circular system. Yes, note down. Then next point. Yes, then next entry here, relation between theta, L and R. What is theta? This is the angle. What is the length here? This is the length of the arc. What is R? The radius of the circle. So now look here. Suppose this is your circle and this is your radius AB, This is your called radius, and this length your L. So this is your radius, this is your length of the arc. So yes, now here what relation are? This is your theta. Means this length is not equal of the radius. When is the length L or R is equal? When length L or R is equal, so what value of the theta here? Theta is equal to 1 radian. What value of the theta is? Theta is equal to 1 radian. But when different length and radius and length of the arc and radius, then what relation between the equal to here? So where theta equal to L upon R. This is the relation of the theta upon L. Means angle equal. This is your angle equal length of arc upon radius. Theta means angle, length of arc means length of arc, and this is the radius. This is called relation between theta, L and R. This is the specific meaning here. This is the specific meaning. Yes. Some next point here. Trigonometrical mostly divided into 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant. This is your second quadrant. This is your third quadrant. This is your fourth quadrant. This is the origin point. In first quadrant. Now look here. Every trigonometrical ratio here positive means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and sec theta, and all trigonometrical ratio here positive form. All trigonometric ratio here positive form. In the second quadrant, only sin theta and cosec theta positive. This is the positive, and this is also positive. This is second quadrant. Rest between will be is the negative. Only two here. Only two sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Rest cos, tan, sec, cosec, cos, tan, cot and sec are here negative, or sin and cosec here positive. Now come in third quadrant. Here tan theta and cot theta here positive. Both here positive. Rest here negative means sin, cos, sec, cosec here negative. Only tan and cot here positive. In fourth quadrant, here cos theta and sec theta both are positive. Rest here negative means sin negative, tan cot here negative, and cosec here negative. Only cos and sec here positive. This is sec theta. This is your sec theta. So cos theta and sec theta are positive. Tan theta, cot theta are positive. Sin theta, cosec theta are positive. Other trigonometric ratio here negative. Here other negative. Here other negative. Then this is your basic structure of the trigonometric ratio. Next point. Just note down you. Yes, students. Next, I am taking here question number first from exercise 3 point here. Find the radian measures of the following. This is the first part, second part, or third part. I am taking here 3 parts. This degree convert into radian. Yes, now look here. This is the first part, 25 degree. You know, 1 degree equal. Pi radian equal 180 degree. How much degree? 1 degree equal pi upon 180 radian. 1 degree equal pi upon 180. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Yeah, you can say 180 degree equal to. You can say here 180 degree equal pi radian. Pi radian 180 or 180 pi. Then you get 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. So then you will convert in the 25 degree. And now 25 degree equal 25 into pi upon 180, and this will called the radian. This is called the radian. So 25 you cancel 5 as the 25, or 5 3 are 15 or 5 6 are 30. It means 5 pi upon 36. You can say write your radian. This is your radian. 25 degree equal to pi radian. This is your simple answer. 1 degree equal to pi upon 80. Using this identity and then finding the value. Second part. This is your second part. Minus 47 degree 30 minute. Here minus sign, degree and minute. First of all, you will convert always any minute second in degree. First you will convert this minute. Suppose you have second also, then you convert minute and second in degree, then solve, then convert in the radian. First of all, how it is possible? Minus 47 degree, minus sign right outside, plus 30 upon 60, or this will be converted here, complete here degree. This is 47 degree and this is 30 upon 60 minute, because minute convert into the hours, so divide by 60. Minute convert into degree means hours, so divide by 60. What is here come? 1 by 2 means minus 47 plus 1 by 2 degree. So minus 47, 7 to the 14, 4 to the 9, plus 1 upon 2. Taking LCM means minus 95 upon 2. After calculating this, we get here 95 upon 2 degree. What will you count? Minus 95 upon 2 degree. After that, this degree using this identity, then convert in radian. So now minus 95 upon 2 into pi upon 180. So this is converted over radian. And now calculate here, cancel by the 5, 19 5 is 95, or 5 3 are 5 6 are. It means 19 minus 19 pi upon 72 radian. This is your answer. 19 pi upon 36 to just 72. If you divide by 5, 19 here, or here 5 3 are 5 6 here, then here come here 72. So your answer here comes. This is your final answer. After calculating this, the result here will come here minus 19 pi upon 72. So this here come here in radian. What value of this? Minus 47 degree 30 minute. The value of this minus 19 pi upon 72 radian. Yes, two part is solved. Or same thing here, third part. In third part, 240 degree, 240 into pi upon 180, and calculate. This is converted into radian. Then cancel by the 5, 5 3 are 15, 5 6 are 5 4 are 5 8 are 48 pi upon 36. Cancel by the 5 here, 5 4 are 20, or what is the remainder? 4 5 8 are 40, or 5 3 are and 5 6 are. Again cancel by here 4 4 9 are 36, 4 1 4 12 are. What is that? 12 pi upon 9. Again cancel here, 3 3 are 9, or 3 4 are 12. What is that? 4 pi upon 3. This is your answer. Radian. What here radian degree you mention here also. Here degree converted in the radian to 4 pi upon 3 radian. This is your answer of third part. So yes, note down the next question. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 2nd. Find the degree measure of 11 upon 16 radian. How to convert it 11 radian into degree 11 upon 16. Yes, now look here. This is 11 upon 16 is the radian. You know कि 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. Using this identity, 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. 11 upon 16 into 180 upon pi. This is converted into degree. Next point. here 11 into 180 are putting the value of pi. What value of pi? 22 upon 7. Putting here using 11 upon 16 into 22 into 7. Reciprocal of this 22 upon 7, then going in the numerator. Or 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22. Cancellation here. 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16 or 4 5 is 20. But left here 45 into 7 upon 8 degree. Now multiply here. 7 5 is 35, carry 3, 7 31 upon 8. This is your calculated degree. But this is not fixed answer degree. Means here right here denominator here. Now convert this denominator in minute and second also. So yes, you divide here 8 divided by 315. 8 4 is 8 3 is 23. 24 कितना 11 minus 4 7 and 5. 8 9 is 72. What is left? 3. Here remainder is 3 here remainder. How much here? 39 degree. 39 whole 3 upon 8. This is your degree. Next you will convert 39 degree or 3 upon 8 convert into minute. Means 3 upon 8 into 60. This is converted into minute. This is converted into minute. So now 3 6 is 80. 8 divided by 180. Again 8 2 is 16. What is left? 2. 8 2 is 16. What is left? 4. It means 39 degree. And what is left here? 22. 22 here minute. This is your 22 minute. How much minute come here? 22 minute. 22 whole 4 upon 8 minute. Then this is converted. Next step. 39 degree and 22 4 upon 8. Then convert it. Minute also second. So what do you mean this? 39 degree 22 minute 4 upon 8 into 60. This is converted into second. It means 39 degree 22 minute 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 into 30. It means 30 second. This is your answer. Don't leave in this step. Don't leave in this step. You divide this, then convert in the degree and minute. Again divide this, then you convert in the degree, minute and second. Then what final answer of this? Second. Degree, minute and second. So don't leave in this step. Suppose you leave in this step, then marks you will deduct in 4 steps. You complete divide, then give the final answer. Yes, note down, then next questions. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number here 3rd. This is a different type questions here. A wheel make 360 revolutions. Total number of revolutions are 360 in 1 minute. How much time taking here? 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? First you read the question very carefully, then solve. Total number of revolutions here given 360. What you find? You will find the angle in radian, but don't directly convert in 360 in radian. But how many revolution will turn in the 1 second of this wheel? Then this will be converted in the radian. Yes, now look here. Solution. In 1 minute. In 1 minute, number of revolutions of the wheel equal to 360. How many in 1 minute? Number of the revolution of wheel कितना? 360. In 1 minute means 60 seconds. number of revolution of wheel equal to 360. Second, then you convert in 1 second. In 1 second, number of revolution will be कितना होगा 360 upon 60. What is 6 revolutions? In 1 second, number of revolution of the wheel is 6 revolution. How many revolution? 6 revolution. Next, now you will convert in radian of this to 1. Now look here, 1 revolution angle. How many degree of the in 1 revolution? In 1 revolution, angle equal to 360 degree, because 1 revolution means 1 complete cycle. 1 revolution means 1 complete cycle. This is the 1 complete cycle of 360 degree. So in 1 revolution, angle equal to 360 degree. Clear? And how many revolution are you doing? The 360 degree means you convert it to 2 pi radian. 360 degree means 2 pi radian. And how many revolution you have required here? 6 revolution in 1 second. So 6 revolution angle equal 6 into 2 pi. This equal to 12 pi radian. This is your answer. 360 degree converted to, because ki 1 degree equal 180 degree equal pi radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. The 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. This is the 1 revolution. Or you have in 1 second, number of revolution in 1 second is 6 revolution. So when 6 revolution will be in 12 pi radian. So directly converted, this is your answer. This is your answer. The very simple things. First you read the question very carefully. Then what things given, what you find, then using this and calculate and find the answer. Yes, note down. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 6. The different type question here. If in 2 circles arcs of the same length, arc length of the same, angle of 60 degree and 75 degree, at the center find the ratio of the radii. Means angle here given, ratio of the length of the both the circle here equal. So what is the ratio of their radii? Yes. So now look here question. Now suppose this is your first circle and this is your second circle. This is your center, this is your 60 degree angle and this is your 75 degree angle. This is the radius and this is the length of the same here. What angle here? This is a 60 degree and this is your 75 degree. O dash. This is the AB, this is your CD. This thing they are given 60 degree and 75 degree subtended angle from center and same length of the earth. Means this is AB length or length of their L, this is the length of CD also here L, but angle are different. Yes, now look here. The first, you know this angle given in degree. First this angle converted into radian, because those angles theta equal L upon R. This theta always here, theta here radian. Theta is not degree here. This theta here L upon R, theta here radian. So here theta here given in degree. So first of all you convert this 2 degree in radian. Now theta equals 60 degree, then you convert 60 or 1 degree equal, how much? 1 degree equal 180 upon pi. Pi upon 180. This is 1 pi upon 180 radian. Then you note down here. So then what value of this? Into pi upon 180. This is come here 6 3 means pi upon 3. Next theta here, theta 1, theta 2 here, 75 degree next 75 into pi upon 180. What value come here? 5 1 is 5 and 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30. Here 15 pi by 36. Again you can say 5 3 5 is 15 or 3 1 is 3 means 5 pi upon 12. This is radian. This is also radian. First this degree converted into radian. After that using this identity here. Now look here. What here given? The theta equal L upon R. This is the main identity here. Theta equal to L upon R. So what first theta equal? First theta what will do first theta is pi upon 3. Pi upon 3 equal what value of L? This is the same L. What is value of the R? R will find this. R will find a R1. This is the R1. This is the R2. Next, first here this 5 pi upon 12 equal L upon R2. This is equation of second. Dividing first and second. Dividing first by second here, the pi by 3 whole upon 5 pi by 12 equal L upon R1 and L upon R2. Yes, you note down this, then calculate here. Yes, note down it. Means then we calculate and then find the value of R1 ratio R2. Yes. So now here pi upon 3, then you convert 12 upon 5 pi, reciprocal of this. Next same here L upon R1 into R2 upon L. L this will be cancelled here, pi this will be cancelled here, 3 4 is 12. What left here? 4 upon 5. R2 upon R1. This is R2 upon R1. So what value of the now implies that R1 upon R2? This will be 5 upon 4. So now the R1 ratio R2 equal to 5 ratio 4. This is your answer. Converted the reciprocal of this R1 upon R2, then 5 upon 4 also. So this is your answer. What is the ratio of the radii? Find the ratio of the radii. Means our ratio of the R1 R2 equal 5 ratio 4. So this is a very simple. First you convert the degree in radian, then using the identity and calculate and find the value of the answer. Yes, note down.